Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Divi email Optin with Mailchimp. You may be wondering why Mailchimp? To answer that for me, it is easy to sign up and organize subscribers. Let's begin. First, you need to create an account with Mailchimp. Then, once you have your account set up, you need to go to your profile by clicking the letter icon on the bottom left of your screen. Select Profile, then Extras, and choose API Keys. Create a new key. You may edit the label just to give it a proper name. The most important ones are the user and API keys, which you will need later in Divi. Next, go to Divi and add an email opt-in. Under the Content tab, scroll down to Email Account and choose Mailchimp as the service provider, then click Add. Then it will open up a Mailchimp list where you need to input your account name and the API key that you have created in Mailchimp, then click Submit. Now you can select which Mailchimp list you are going to use and click Save. Next, you may also need to set up the success action. This is what visitors will see after they sign up. You can just add a success message. If you have a thank you page or want to redirect users to another page, you can simply select the redirect to a custom URL and just input the URL in the redirect URL field. You can also add a URL query just in case you need to pass a value from one page to another. You may now try to test your form, and if everything is good, you can go to your Mailchimp account and, under the Audience and All Contacts section, you can see if your test submission has been added to the list. That's it. You can customize the look of your email opt-in based on your design. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.